Hello. If you want to integrate Transactional SMS API of Message91, so this video is just for you. First of all, log into your Message91 panel. On the dashboard or in the API section, you will find OneAPI. In this OneAPI, you have to create a flow for your SMS content. Click on Add Flow, give your flow a name, for example, booking confirmation. This field will contain a variable that will be having all the recipient mobile numbers. So you can keep it mobiles. This is for DLT template ID. If you are sending messages on Indian mobile numbers and if you are an Indian company and have done all the DLT regulations, so you will copy your DLT template ID from your DLT portal and paste it here for this specific content for which you are creating the flow. Here are multiple channels of communication. I'll select SMS. You have to select your sender ID from this drop down. In case if you do not find the correct sender ID here, you can add it using this button. If you want to pass the value of your sender ID while calling the API, you can select from API. I'll select my sender ID here. This is for the SMS content. If you have done with all the DLT regulations, you will copy your exact DLT approved template content and paste it here. I have a content here. I'll just copy and paste. Now here are two variables in my content, and this is the way to define variables on DLT portal. But on Message91, there is a small difference. I'll just remove it. We'll type the name of variable in this box, name, and we'll add. You can see the variable has been created here. Now I'll keep my cursor at the right place and will click on this variable. So the way to define a variable on Message91 is double hash name of the variable and again double hash. I can simply type it double hash day double hash. So here the name of variable is day, and you can just click on add flow. If you want to add multiple channels, you can select it. I'll select add flow. You can see the flow has been added successfully. You'll find the flow at the bottom. In case if you see the pending status here, it will get approved within a very few minutes. My flow is already approved. I'll copy my flow ID. We'll visit SMS API documentation. This API doc is having all the SMS APIs that Message91 provides. I'll select send SMS via flow. I'll paste my flow ID here. Since I have selected my sender ID while creating the flow, I'll remove this line. Mobile number. Now, if you remember, we have created two variables. One was name and the other one was day. Make sure to type the exact variable name that you have created while creating the flow. We will pass the values here. Name is Jay and day is Monday. Now we just need auth key. You will find it in Message91 panel. SMS API. Here you will get your auth key. Just copy it and paste it here. Once you add your auth key, you can click on try button. When you will try, you will receive a response code, a request ID, and you will receive the SMS on this mobile number. So we hope this video will help you in integrating the transactional SMS API or OneAPI or Flow API. Thank you.